my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Danny, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12? Maybe? To be honest with you, I don't know what day of Vlogmas this is. I've fallen a little bit behind. And you know what? That's okay. I'm just gonna be totally transparent with you guys and say that I've had a rough go at it the past few days, and I don't necessarily want to bring that energy onto my channel. And beyond that, I kind of just need to figure some things out for myself when it comes to balancing work life and YouTube life. And that's a me problem, not a you problem. But I do want to continue making these videos for you guys because I love you so very much, and posting just makes me so happy. And I don't know, I don't want to give up on this. So it's gonna be a good day. I don't really know what we're gonna be up to today, but it's gonna be fun regardless. Right now, I am contradicting myself like crazy because my makeup is done. I actually feel very good about it. I think my makeup looks really good, but I'm still wearing my pajamas. I'll show you guys. I'm wearing this t-shirt that I got a very long time ago from the Broadway show Waitress. It is my all-time favorite show, mainly because all of the music is written by Sarah Bareilles, who will forever be one of my favorite artists. Like, her music just, it really hits me. It hits me in a different way that nobody's music ever can. And then I'm wearing my pajama pants. But regardless of this, I want it to be a very productive day. And of course, I want to take you guys along in it. I actually want to try and film maybe 2 videos today. I already have one fully outlined, and I think I can do another one. So we'll see how much we can get done, but I did want to start this vlog off for you guys right now. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, regardless of when you're watching this, and comment down below letting me know something about your life. I feel so grateful that you got, hello, Mr. Sports Car? I feel so grateful that you guys take the time out of your day to watch my videos and learn about my life, so I want to start learning more about yours. So let me know something down below so we can have a little chat, but I'm gonna go change so I can start being productive. Guys, I was about to start filming, and if I could figure out where this is coming from, it'd be easier for me to show you. But every year in my neighborhood, Santa will come around on a fire truck and they blast Christmas music and they hand out candy canes to little kids. I don't know if they're doing the whole candy cane part now because of COVID, but I hear the fire truck. I don't know where he is, but he's somewhere. I want to go downstairs. I don't know where he's coming from. You think so? That's one of my favorite things that we do in this neighborhood, honestly. And I know a lot of neighborhoods do it. I just think it's really cute. Oh, okay. Back to filming, but I do know a thing or two about getting started and how to build an audience. So hopefully you guys can get something fun out of this video and hopefully jumpstart your YouTube channel in 2021. And without further ado, let's get into it. That went so well. Oh my God. Sometimes when I film my videos, it can take me a little bit because I have trouble getting to the point and getting out all of my words correctly, but it went really well today. And I'm so excited for you guys to see that video. It's essentially how to start a YouTube channel in 2021, plus how I edit my videos. And I know you guys are gonna love it. And I was just feeling really inspired today, I guess, to film a bunch of content. So I went on my Instagram, which by the way, if you guys don't follow me, please do. I'm trying to reach 5,000 followers by the end of 2020. And at the moment I am at 4,705. So if you want to help me out with that goal, it would be much appreciated. But I asked you guys on Instagram to send me some of your video requests, and I got so many. Like, you guys really popped off with this one. So I don't know when I'm gonna get the chance to film these, but hopefully soon, because a lot of these are a bit repetitive, and that's good because it means a lot of you guys want to watch them. Anyway, it is well past lunchtime now, and my dog is barking, which makes me think our lunch is actually here. It just pulled up. We decided to order Domino's for lunch. Not the healthiest option, but our parents aren't here, so we decided to do something kind of fun. And this is Exhibit A, why I'm so hesitant to film a what I eat in a day video, because I don't eat healthy at all. It's not necessarily something that I'm proud of, but it's a fact. But I am thinking of doing a what I eat in a workday video because I think that might be fun and it'll be very realistic. I'm not gonna try and tell you guys that I eat a bunch of salads and healthy stuff because I just don't. I'm about to eat some cheesy bread. This was a great decision on our part. I'm very happy we did this. My Domino's a solid 10 out of 10. I'm so happy that we decided to do that. And now that I've eaten and also have been quite productive today, I think I'm gonna dedicate the rest of my night to getting in the Christmas spirit, because obviously 2020 has not been the best year for anybody, and I think because of that, it's been really hard for people to get into the Christmas spirit, myself included, and I would love to be able to dedicate the rest of my day, because right now it's 4:30, to getting in the Christmas spirit as much as possible, doing all of my favorite Christmas and winter activities, and seeing how happy it makes me, because I know it's gonna make me really happy, and I feel like that's also a really good way to set the tone for the week ahead. The sky! Andrew! Look at the sky right now. Holy shit! Whoa. Okay, 1 second. Like I was saying before I got distracted by the beautiful sunset, I am gonna kick off me getting into the Christmas spirit by listening to some music, because I need to clean my room, but it's always more fun to do so when you're listening to music. And instead of listening to standard Christmas music, I recently found this playlist called Christmas Time, but not Christmas songs. And pretty much all of the songs just remind you of iconic Christmas movies. For starters, the first one on this playlist is called Pennies from Heaven, which I didn't know by name, but it's that song from the scene in Elf where he's jumping across the street and he almost gets hit by the cab, and it goes shooby dooby. Like, everyone knows this song, even if you don't know it by name, and I just feel like this is gonna put me in the best mood. So I'm gonna play this now, and let's clean my room. Okay, I mentioned this in my last video, and I just need to hammer it home. I think it's my civic duty to do so, and that is to tell you the severity of the situation, that these are the best Hershey Kisses you will ever have in your entire life. Why, you might ask? Okay, I'll tell you if you're so eager. These Hershey Kisses are normal, except for the fact that they're not. They are filled with a marshmallow, and they are the most delicious things you will ever have in your entire life. So I'm giving you guys homework. At one point during this week, you need to go to your local Target, Walmart, CVS, and pick up these Hershey Kisses and tell me that they don't change your life. I've eaten pretty much this entire bag all by myself, and I don't regret a single second of it. Absolutely delicious. Now that my room is clean, I think the next order of business is that I'm going to make a cheese board. If you guys watch my videos regularly, you know that this is not a rare occurrence. I do this probably too often, especially this summer. If you guys watch my Hamptons vlogs, you know I did this like once a week. And between the time of Thanksgiving to now, I think I've made 4 or 5. So I'm kind of on a little bit of a kick, but I just find it so much fun, and it's the perfect pre-dinner appetizer type thing. I think tonight I'm gonna try something a little different, because for the most part, all the cheese boards that I make look exactly the same. So I'm trying to make a festive one tonight. I feel like we can do it. Hi. Okay, so we've done some grocery shopping. Not me, my parents. I had nothing to do with this. But we got some, sorry, my mother. And we got some good stuff. So figured I can start this off with a little grocery haul. We have some prosciutto. This is the same one that we got the other day. It's quite good. Not all of this is for tonight's meal, but this is just stuff that we'll have in the fridge for later. We got some pita, and I think that there's some tzatziki in here. Yes, I see it. We've been on a little bit of a Greek food kick recently. I love Greek food, so this will be really, really nice to have in the house now. We also got some of these rosemary crisps because we're making another cheese board, of course. And then down here, I think, are all of the ingredients for the cheese board. So we got, I don't know, oh, pate. What is pate?
It's like pork.
Oh, so that's not going on the cheese board, is what you're saying?
It won't go on that cheese board, but it'll go on the side.
Oh.
It's really good with cheese.
I see, okay. And then we got some blackberries, some raspberries. These are the Spanish almonds that we always get. Are these from Whole Foods? No, North Shore Farms.
North Shore Farms.
These are absolutely incredible. I love them. I could eat like an entire pack of these. And then we got some Parmesan and some Gruyere. absolutely some of my best work. I have to say, I'm very, very proud. The concept of doing the Christmas tree was not my idea though. I follow this Instagram account called That Cheese Plate, and especially during the holiday time, she comes out with a lot of really, really great ideas. Please ignore the background noise. My dog is eating something from her bowl. But she posted this reference picture, and I thought it was really, really cool. All of our ingredients weren't exactly the same because we wanted to cater it more towards things that we really enjoy eating, but I think it came out pretty good in comparison, and it was a really nice appetizer. So now for dinner, we're having baked potatoes, we're having steak, and what are you having? What is it?
We're also making pork belly bites.
Pork belly bites. All of these things, except for the steak, are being made in the air fryer. So lots of air fryer recipes are happening in this house. I'm happy to see it, and we're probably gonna end up eating in like 10 minutes. We just wrapped up dinner and it was amazing, and now the next step of the night is I'm going to make some cookies. I was debating whether or not I should make that thing from Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys one more time. I was debating whether or not I should make this. I showed this in one of my previous videos. This is the chocolate peppermint loaf and baking mix, and apparently it's really, really good. A lot of you guys commented about it, but I thought that this would be more fun to make maybe with friends. So if I can get a friend or two, or yeah, that's pretty much all I got, to make this with me, I feel like that would be a lot of fun. So for tonight, instead, I have this Toll House cookie dough, nice and simple, and we're gonna pop on a Christmas movie. It's a good night. So the cookies are in the oven. I think they need about 3 more minutes until they're done. So we're gonna start our movie of the night. Since I watched Family Stone with my friends the other day and we loved it, that's like one of my mom and I's favorite Christmas movies. I Googled movies similar to, and I think it just showed me movies with Diane Keaton, and it brought up this movie that we're watching, which is called Love the Coopers, and I've never seen it before. My mom's seen it once, and you've never seen it, right?
No.
No, so it's pretty much our first time, considering it's been a while since my mom's seen it to begin with, and I think it's gonna be really good. Timothy Chalamet's in it. An all-star cast. This is crazy. So updates to come on this movie. I'll give you guys a full rating by the end of it, but we're gonna start it off now, and let's cross our fingers. Oh, look at their little shoes. All right, if you guys haven't already seen the movie Love the Coopers, you guys have to watch it before Christmas this year. I was not expecting it to be as good as it was, but I think a lot of it has to do with the cast, because it had Timothy Chalamet, Diane Keaton, Olivia Wilde, Marissa Tomei, so many amazing actors, and the plot was really good. I cried, I laughed, it was a great movie. So I would give it probably a 9 out of 10, but I'm a pretty fair judge if we're being totally honest. But definitely watch it. It's on the less cheesy side and better side than a lot of other Christmas movies, and it's a nice change of pace. So I definitely recommend that you guys watch it, and if you do, let me know what you think. That, in addition to Family Stone, I'm giving you lots of homework this week. But I'm actually sitting down to edit this video right now, so I figured it was a good time to end it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe it helped you get into the holiday spirit. If you guys watched to the end, I want you to comment down below one thing that you do every year to get yourself in the holiday spirit, especially if it's something that I haven't done yet. I want to hear it because I want to do it. But I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.